Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Helps again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your RailCard account from your desktop. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Okay, on your computer, first open up your preferred browser. As I have already opened the Google Chrome, you can see, and on the search bar, click there and type in railcard.co.uk like this, or you can just simply search for railcard login on the Google itself and hit enter. You can see the railcard.co.uk, which is the official website for railcard. Click there to open the page, and basically you will be landing on the same page from Google also. So let's close one of these sites and let's accept the cookies in order to proceed. Now to log in to your railcard account, you can see the railcard.co manage my railcard over here, and after that you will be required to enter your email over here, and after that you will be required to enter your password over here. Or if you have simply or forgot your password, just click on over here to reset your password. Or if you have not yet created an account for railcard yet, just simply click on the register button over here on the left side of your screen to register account on railcard. And there guys, after entering your email and password, click on the login option to sign into your railcard account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.